Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on the gun story notification. First thing, this, open up a Telegram app and then you tap on the three lines at the top left corner, tap on settings, scroll down to notification and sounds, tap on it. You see story option, that is story option, tap on the story options, new stories, turn it on to be notified by new stories. And you can also decide if you want to see sender's name. If you don't want to turn this off, you need to leave it on. You can decide to choose the sound, and then they have more options. You can choose the color if you want it to vibrate, you want it to be urgent. You can also add exceptions, which is what you do not want to be notified about. And once you throw it all of this, you go back, and that's it.